Here we have 5 multiplied by 3 plus 2. This is a very easy example or operation, and the result in this case is 17. With Python programming language, it is possible to use the double asterisks operator to calculate powers. We have two examples here. The first example is the squared number 5, and the result is, as you can see, 25. Another example is 2 to the power 7. This is like number 2 is multiplied by itself 7 times. The result in this case, as you can see here, is 128. Now let's talk about the equal sign. The equal sign is used to assign a value to a variable. Afterwards, no result is displayed before the next interactive prompt.